We are displaying a setup for perfume manufacturing for a startup factory or for a small factory with a production capacity from 500 to about 4,000 to 5,000 pieces a day in 10 hours. The equipments that we are suggesting are being showcased in this small video. This is what you can purchase in order to start your factory. So we have different type of mixing vessels starting from 100 liters. This is the 100 liters, 200 liters, 300 liters perfume mixing vessel we have. From 100 liters till 6,000 liters in perfume mixing, and same for perfume storage. So what you will need is the perfume mixing vessels. This is a perfume mixing vessel which comes with an electric explosion proof, flame proof motor, gearbox and a stirrer shaft assembly mounted till the bottom of the tank. This is going to be a mixing tank. This is the outlet for the tank. It comes on wheels. It is a movable tank. Then moving forward, this is one of the key components or equipments in perfume manufacturing. This is your single unit online perfume chilling and filtration system, 200 liters per hour. This is our smallest capacity. We have from 200 liters up till 3,000 liters per hour. But as you're starting your new factory or a small factory, you can go for this model, which is 200 liters per hour. This is an online system wherein your perfume will enter from this valve at room temperature, go inside the pipeline, get chilled to -4 degrees, -6, whichever temperature that you set, will come up to the filter, get filtered and go out from this pipeline over here. From this pipeline, when you take the output, it can go back in the same tanks for maceration. You can keep the perfume for maceration starting from 1 day up till 30 days depending on your perfume quality. This is the side for perfume manufacturing, that is mixing or perfume preparation. This is the preparation equipments that you will need. If you do not want to go for the chiller filter, which we recommend, you can also go only for the filtration machine. This is the only filtration machine. It will not chill, it will only filter the perfume. Now we will start for the perfume filling line, the equipments that you need. This is the first component, that is the vacuum and Airjet cleaning machine. We have two modes in this machine. One is the manual and one is the auto. Right now the machine is in auto mode, is a spring loaded action. As you can see, the dust is being collected and taken inside the filters over here. Now we will show you the manual mode. Yes, now he will take the bottles and he will press the foot pedal. Press. This is how the dust will be collected. Now we will go on to the filling machine. This is a desktop filling machine. So it can fill 2 bottles at a time. And from here we will go to the dip tube cutting machine. So this is a dip tube cutting machine. It can cut different type of tubes, aerosol. It can also cut the perfume pumps. So this is a dip tube cutting machine, and this is your desktop filling machine. So once the operator has filled the bottles, he can keep it on the conveyor, and these bottles will go to the next station, which is the crimping machine. In the crimping machine, we have 2 modes. One, this is the manual mode, wherein you have to press the foot pedal. When you press the foot pedal, the head will come down and it will crimp the bottle. Now in auto mode. So this is automatic oscillating. The operator has to place the bottles. Yes. Now we will go to the collar fitting. The collar fitting also has the same operations. It is manual and auto. Manual mode, we will press the foot pedal. We'll press the collar. We go to the auto mode, the head will come down automatically. And this is the leakage testing machine, wherein you slide this and place your bottles inside with a paper. And you switch on the vacuum. The vacuum is being created. You cannot move the glass when the vacuum is created. Now the testing is done. If there is a leakage, there will be droplets on the paper. So if you see this bottle, we have not crimped it properly, so there is a leakage. So this is a leakage over here, and this bottle is okay. So this is how the leakage test will be done, and this is the complete line. It can fit in not less than 1,000 square feet. You can fit this complete setup in 1,000 square feet.